Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown book 2. Students, we were revising our chapter number 4, that is multiplication. We are going to revise page number 61 and page number 62. Now open page number 61. And our today's topic is let us multiply 8s. So students, today we are going to learn about the table or the multiplication in 8s. We will learn about the table of 8. Look at the bunny. Bunny is jumping now at the 8s. It means that at the first stop is 0, next one is 8 and next are the multiples of 8. In the second stop is 8 2s are 16. In the third stop 8 3s are 24. And in the fourth stop 8 4s are 32, while in the 5 is 40, 6 is 48, and while this one is the 7, 8 7s are 56. Okay students, so this one is the multiples of the 8 or the table of the 8. Firstly, learn the table of the 8 by heart, then we can easily solve these questions. Here is our question number 7. In this, count in 8s and fill in the missing numbers. We are going to count in the 8s and then we will fill these missing numbers. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48 and 8 7s are 56. Look at this one is starting from the 0, so here we will start from the 1 stop. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48 and 8 7s are 56, while 8 8s have been solved for you, that is 64. Here is our 2. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 5s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56 and 8, while 8 8s are 64. Okay students, by learning the table of the 8 and by multiplying the 8s or 8 times, we have solved our missing numbers. Next, look at this. Here is the bee and he is telling us count my legs. Let's count its legs. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. This bee has 8 legs and we are learning the 8 times. So students, here we are going to finish the squares counting in the 8s and then we will do the coloring in it. Okay, look at this students. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 5s are 32, 8 6 are 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56. Now students, notice one thing, just like we have done in the previous tables, that the other box is 8 box away from the previous. Look at this. This one is 8 box. This 16 is 8 box after this 8. 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. This one is answered. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. This one is answered. Now we are going to solve is after this method. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Look, 8 8s are 64. Look, next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. That is 10. 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72 and 8 10s are 80. Next is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 11s are 88. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 12s are 96. Next boxes are less than the 8. So this one is completed. Students, you can color these boxes by your favorite color. Here I am doing just the marking of these boxes. Okay students, now come towards the page number 62. In this, here we are going to make the 8's times table, just like we have done before for the table of 6 and for the table of 7. Look at this one is one set having 8 dots. You can count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and we can write it here. Firstly we will write it 1 8. For the 1 we will write is 1 8 is 8. Okay, and here we are going to write it as 1 multiplied by 8 and answer is 8. For the second, look at this, we have the two sets and each one is having the 8 dots. So we can write it as 2 8s are 16, and that can also be written as 2 multiplied by 8 and our answer is 16. Okay students, next we have the three sets. Each one is having the 8 dots. Okay, so I am writing here as 3 THREE 8s, and our answer is 3 8s are, tell me students, how many dots altogether? These are 24. Okay, so I am writing here is 3 8s are 24. Okay students, look at this student. Next are the four sets of the 8 and each one is having the 8 dots. Okay, so 4 8s are, how many dots altogether? 4 8s are 32, and you can also write it as 4 multiplied by 8 and answer is 32. Next we have the 5 sets of 8, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and each one is having the 8 dots. 5 8s are 40, and that can be written as 5 multiplied by 8 and answer is 40. Next is the 6 sets of the 8 dots, and answer is 6 8s are 48. That can be written as 6 multiplied by 8 and answer is 48. Okay, next we have the 7 sets. Each one is having the 8 dots, so we will write it as 7 8s are, and our answer is 56. That can also be written as 7 multiplied by 8 and answer is 56. Okay students, look at this. Here we have the 8 sets of each one is having the 8 dots. 8 8s are 64. That can be written as 8 multiplied by 8 and answer is 64. Okay students, in the next we have the 9 sets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. 9 8s are 72. That are written as 9 multiplied by 8 and answer is 72. Okay students, next we have the 10 sets. Look at this. Here we have the 10 sets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 and 10, and each one we know that having the 8 dots. Look at this, each one is having the same dots, so 9 8s are 80. That 10 8s are 80. That can be written as 10 multiplied by 8, and we know that the answer is 80. And in the next we have, look at this, we have the 11 sets. You can count the 11 sets. Here we have the 11 sets and each one is having the 8 dots. So 11 8s are 88. That can be written as 11 multiplied by 8, and our answer is, tell me, our answer is 88. In the next we have the 12 sets of 8 dots. Here we have the 12 sets, each one is having the 8 dots. So 12 8s are 96. That can be written as 12 multiplied by 8 and answer is 96. Okay students, we have solved our page number 62 and look at this, we have completed our table of 8 till the 12 that can be forwarded so on. Okay students, you can make the table of any number by taking the sets and the dots. Okay students, hope this will be clear to you. Okay, Allah Hafiz.